Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best speed bag platforms that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the ZivPlay speed bag platform. The thick board and lock pin are a game changer for wobble. Users really notice the stability, and getting the speed bag and pump in the box is a nice touch. This one's got a sturdy feel right out of the box. The 1-inch thick board soaks up vibrations better than most. 4 fixing knobs help keep the platform locked down during heavy workouts. Height adjustment is handy if you have a few people training or want to change up your technique. 5 preset levels let you switch up the punch angle in seconds. You'll need to drill into the wall, but the included instructions and hardware make it straightforward. Once it's up, you probably won't need to mess with it again for years. Moving on. At number 4, we have the MaxxMMA Speed Bag Platform Kit. The adjustable height and solid construction make this a standout. Most people like the build and swivel, but a lot of folks end up swapping the bag for something better. The adjustable system is a real perk. You can raise or lower it in 2-inch steps, which is a huge plus over fixed platforms. The build quality is solid, thick wood, sturdy brackets, and a wide surface so the bag doesn't smack into the edges. The weight keeps it steady, but you'll probably want a hand mounting it. The XMark swivel is smooth and holds up to fast-paced sessions. The quick-release pin is handy for swapping bags. Most people end up replacing the included speed bag. It's okay for beginners, but experienced users usually want more rebound and consistency. The 1-year replacement warranty is nice, but a leather bag upgrade is worth it. At number 3, we have the XMark Professional Speed Bag Platform. The big height adjustment range and hardwood surface are tough to beat. People love the stability and the swivel's smooth, consistent action. The materials here are top-notch. The hardwood gives you that perfect rebound. Firm, but not too harsh. 15 inches of height adjustment is generous, especially for families or shared gyms. Most platforms don't offer nearly as much. You'll need to mount it to wall studs, but that means it's not going anywhere, even during heavy use. The included hardware helps, but you'll want a buddy to help lift and position it. At number 2, we have the XMark wall-mounted speed bag platform. The ball-bearing swivel is a big upgrade over chain types. People rave about how quiet and smooth it is, even during fast sessions. This one's all about the smooth swivel. Ball bearings keep the movement fluid, so you won't get stuck or thrown off rhythm. The 24-inch hardwood platform holds up to repeated hits and offers a reliable rebound. It's big enough for most bags and won't develop dead spots. The 15-inch adjustment range is great. No loss of stability, even at the highest setting. The locking mechanism keeps it secure. Mounting uses standard 16-inch studs, but the heavy steel frame needs solid anchoring. Once it's up, it doesn't budge, even during intense workouts. And finally, at number 1, we have the Everlast adjustable platform. Steel construction and a thick wood base come together for the kind of stability you need for proper speed bag training. Reviews keep mentioning how solid and quiet it is, perfect for home gyms where you really don't want to shake the whole house. This platform is built to last, and it's got the practical features you want for regular training. The steel frame is the backbone, while the wood base helps soak up vibration. You'll need to mount it to a solid wall. At 25 pounds, it's not light, so you might want a helper for the setup. Adjustable height is a real plus. It means everyone in the family can set it up for their own reach and style, no fuss. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.